On behalf of ExpertVillage, this is Paul Lewis, and today I'm going to give you some basic iClone Machinima filmmaking tips and techniques. Let me click on the motion for him. I want to remove that motion, so that's what I did there. But let me click on Tools and Facial Animation, Template. Again, I'm going to use the default dialog that iClone comes with, just so that his mouth will move, just to show you how it moves. I'll click on the cute animation and click on another motion, and I want to try to find a motion where he's moving his arms about. So I think there's something over here called speech, and I don't like that. Do you notice how his hand went right through his head? Now, depending on how your character is sized up, that might happen. Right here, his hands are moving over each other, going through each other. You don't want that. So you'll have to play with different motions till you find the motion that's right for you. That one I don't like because his hand's going right through his hip. So let me see. If I click on, I think there's something called present. Yeah, there's no conflict right there. No limbs are going through other limbs or heads or anything like that. So I'm going to keep that motion. And to make his fingers move, I click on hands, and I could select some animation, warm up in this case, so his fingers are kind of wiggling.